The U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the first flu vaccine on Friday, which does not have to be administered by a healthcare provider, but it won't be available in time for this respiratory virus season. Related video above. Doctors warn of COVID-19, RSV, and flu as kids return to school. Flumist is a nasal spray manufactured by AstraZeneca that has been used to protect against influenza in the United States since 2003. It's currently available in pharmacies and other healthcare settings for people ages 2 to 49 who have a prescription. Friday's approval from the FDA adds a second option for those eligible to receive the vaccine. It can be taken at home, through self-administration by adults, or to children with the help of a caregiver. AstraZeneca plans to make the vaccine available for self-administration through a third-party online pharmacy, which will prescribe and ship the vaccine after reviewing a screening and eligibility assessment. It expects this option to be available in time for the start of next year's respiratory virus season. Today's approval of the first influenza vaccine for self- or caregiver administration provides a new option for receiving a safe and effective seasonal influenza vaccine, potentially with greater convenience, flexibility, and accessibility for individuals and families. Dr. Peter Marks, director of the FDA's Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, said in a statement, "Getting vaccinated each year is the best way to prevent influenza, which causes illness in a substantial proportion of the U.S. population every year and may result in serious complications, including hospitalization and death," he said. This approval adds another option for vaccination against influenza disease and demonstrates the FDA's commitment to advancing public health. The CDC recommends vaccination for everyone ages 6 months and older each season. Flumist is the only needle-free option available for flu vaccination in the U.S. It uses a live, weakened version of the influenza virus to provide protection, but injectable versions use a different technology, either killed viruses or proteins to train the immune system to fight off the virus. AstraZeneca says Flumist has been shown to be as effective as other flu vaccines, but he noted as many as 10% to 15% of people may be needle-phobic and hesitant to get vaccines. So increasing ways to access a needle-free version could boost uptake. "I think the impact is going to be modest," he said of the possibility. But he said he hoped it would lead to increased awareness, potentially through more marketing from AstraZeneca or more research into additional intranasal vaccines that are easier to get. "I see this as a relatively positive step,"